I am in my zone. This Kush, my cologne. What's the vibe? Let's get high. Cause we so out of space. That could we keep me straight. So let's get high. What's the vibe? What's the vibe?
The world could end tomorrow, yeah. I just need a few things. Supply backwood trees, access to a food chain. Getting high for a while, go outside and do shit. Living free, know it's dangerous being a loose leaf. Like a lighter looking for fire without no fuel feed. These hoes on my ladder, they call me the fire chief.
Marijuana's pip, and it also has a very distinct smell.
And it's gonna be a long time thinking they can ever knock me off mine. And it's gonna be a long day thinking any one of y'all in my way. And I'ma feel alright long as I got Mary Jane on my side until I'm ready for the long ride. Till I'm ready for the
Where are we talking to people? Let them know Item 9 exists. Get it out. Shout the rooftops. This is great. This is the bee's knees. Item 9.
I've been trying to get a tan. They've been dodging all the shade. They can see that I'm the man. They don't want me to be great since it's on another tier. Mine in another state. I can smell all the fear and I can see all the hate, but we coasting. Any opposing opponent to that last component, they'll get broken down. Broken down. For you, yeah, it's hopeless now. We got it on track and we smoking now.
Shorty break it down, gotta smoke a lot. Looking for a pound like Sir Smoke a lot. Nah, she ain't used to us, I got just work a lot. 2 gold chains on like Sir Smoke a lot. I put 3.5 to the head tonight. Got 2 words left and they feel like put a place together we can see a meal. This dream alive, I know they pay to get it killed. As time goes by, I puff the lie. If we speed and crush, who down the ride? Who down the ride?
Check it out. I got the hook up. I got the check it out.
I think y'all niggas cheat.
Check it out.
Y'all cheat.
I got the hook up. I got the